first video with in the helmet audio, and hopefully no wind noise, and hopefully y'all can hear the bike. Let's go for a ride. Catch up to old fella. So I am Mitchell, aka the American Average. And I, for the last like month, I've been posting cringe ass videos with no audio. Like, you haven't been able to hear me, barely. But now we're rocking the old DJI wired mic. Yeah. Hopefully this is good. Hopefully it don't sound echoey where it's in the helmet. I'll have to post this one and see how it sounds, you know? And go from there. I'm still learning the editing and adding all the cool pop-ups and shit. For now, you get unedited goodness on my 2013 Aprilia Tuono V4R APRC. Was told that it was ABS, but I can about confirm that it is not. It's the first time in about a week that this thing's been out. Last Friday I got, what the hell? Yeah, man, stay tuned. This is just a little quick ride, you know, testing out the new audio and making sure that I like where it's at. I really hope y'all can hear the bike. That's my big thing. I want to be able to talk to you all, but I want y'all to be able to hear the surroundings on the bike just without wind noise. Because, yeah, I'm a kind of funny guy. But there's nothing compares to that V4 right there. Yeah! Headphone wearers be warned.